Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Samsung Tizen TV has current firmware and is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Once connected, open the Samsung Smart Hub and locate the Google-compatible app or browser. You sign into your Google account on a secondary device now. This speeds verification and lets you cast later. Make sure location and network permissions are enabled so the TV and Google services can discover each other, which avoids common pairing failures. Next, you install the Google app or Chrome via the Smart Hub. Once done, open Google Home on your phone to add a new device. This links the TV for casting and app sign-in. If the TV shows a code or QR, scan or enter it in your Google account to complete authentication. Make sure to accept permissions for casting and media access. If an app isn't available, enable the TV browser and sign into Google services there to access search and playback features. Finally, you use the Google app or browser to search, play videos, or launch services. Type with the remote or use voice if supported. Once done, you can cast content from your phone by tapping Cast and selecting the TV. This offloads playback and uses your device as a remote. If things go wrong, reboot the TV and router, confirm both devices are on the same network, update firmware, and re-link your Google account. These steps fix most connectivity or authentication hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.